In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to measure distance and bearing in Google Map. So open your browser and up above here, go to Google Apps and tap on Maps. You can also search Google Map and click on the first link. You're going to land on the same Google Map website. So up above here, you're going to search your area of interest. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to select random area for demonstration. Now let's start with distance. Let's say I want to find distance from this to that point. Now what I'll do, I'll just click on this junction here and click on the measure distance. I'll tap on that junction there, and we can see that is around 146.05. And if I want also to continue to that point, I want to find from this point to that via this junction here. I'll just tap here and you can see that is 316. You can just continue, tap on the next one, and it will continue giving you total distance. That is how to measure distance. Let's see how to find area. I'll just zoom to a random parcel of land. Let's take this parcel of land as an example. I want to start measuring from this corner here to that, and then come back. I'll just right click from on the first corner and measure distance. Tap on the second corner, tap on the third one, fourth one, and then tap on the corner that we started from, right there. And down here you can see that we have a total area of 1998.06 meters squared. So you can do your calculations. If you want to convert to hectares and acres, you can do that using a calculator. So that's all for measuring distance and areas in Google Map.